Hello guys, it's TF2 Gaming, and this is an exciting triple effect. This one's one of my favorite combos. It's probably my favorite. We got the Frostbite Kiss King, but it doesn't really matter with hats. We got the Disco Beatdown Exquisite Rack, and we got the Captain Spaceman Nebula, and it looks really good, like probably the best combo in the game of unusual history. You've got to look at this, because Disco Beatdown and Nebula go well, Frostbite and Nebula go really well, and it just makes this beautiful effect. It looks so nice. People could yeah. Problem is with Nebula, it's a really rare effect. God damn it. Like, Nebula is really rare as shit. It's so confusing when I'm like in third person. Looks rather nice. Now, I kind of wish there is like a dark area so I can like truly show you off the beauty of this thing. This is why TF2 needs like more night maps and night maps only. It would look really nice. If I go to, let's say, is the private room dark? It's not really, ain't it? Alright, well. Wait. Someone could do like a cool darkness for cool lighting things. Let's see. I think this is dark enough. Not really, but yeah. Oh no, I'm being stuck. Yeah. Kinda looks like this. It's really nice. Like the frostbite are like this. The frostbite is like the star. The disco beatdown just creates more of the lighting with the nebula, and there's these cool things that come out randomly. And the nebula, well, it's the nebula. It looks nice. It's just like I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. There we go. I can't. It's kind of annoying that yeah. Just really doesn't go well. Let's see. Teleporting, castle wall, skydive, castle wall, water. Alright, let's see what's down in skydive. This is basically skydive, and yeah, let's do this. I need to practice those things, man. But anyway, I can't even find any dark areas. Like, is underwater really that dark? I don't know. Looks amazing though. Yeah. Just basically looks like this.
Alert. The control point is being captured.
It really does look nice. I think this is just going to be a very nice looking hat, and I mean not hat, I mean unusual effect. Just really looks nice.
Alert. The control point is being
So
captured.
this is basically about a triple unusual effects, like I explained with all triple effect videos. I hope you enjoy this episode, and I hope people use this effect combo a lot more than, well, than they usually do, but I reckon this is like the best unusual effect combo in my opinion, so I'll piece it out to you guys now. Peace.